primetime news this evening, no new taxes as the finance minister opens the budget debate. Andre Blackman Bryan found guilty of leading criminal organization. And overseas-based auditors now in Jamaica to help with SSL fraud probe.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. Global ratings agency Fitch has upgraded the country's debt default rating from stable to positive. I'll give the details later on.
And Spencer is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thank you very much, Giovanni. Well, the Reggae Boys head coach has named the squad for his first game on home soil. That comes up on Saturday in Montego Bay. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And from sports to weather, Romain, what's coming up in the weather report and forecast?
Thanks, Janella. Now, we have been having cloudier conditions than previous across sections of the east. We've also been having some spotty showers in the morning and a few isolated showers in the afternoon in the west. But we'll break it down further in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what would you like to see the government spend more money on? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.